Something unexpected happened in 2026, and almost nobody noticed. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, one of the most heavily marketed phones of the year, isn't even close to the top performance rankings. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra didn't take the crown either. Instead, the fastest smartphones in the world right now come from brands most people rarely talk about. The #1 device on today's list scores nearly 4 million points on AnTuTu, completely redefining what smartphone performance looks like. This isn't a small upgrade over last year, it's an entirely different level of power. Links to the best deals are in the description, and before we begin, drop your guess in the comments for which phone you think takes first place. At number 5 is the Oppo Find X9 Pro, a phone that proves real performance isn't just about benchmark scores. With around 3.37 million points on AnTuTu, it already ranks among elite devices. But the real headline is its enormous 7,500 mAh battery. While most flagship phones struggle to survive one heavy day of usage, this device comfortably lasts up to 3 days without changing how you use your phone. You stop worrying about charging, stop closing background apps, and finally use every feature without thinking about battery life. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor with 16 GB of RAM, performance remains consistently smooth. The Hasselblad-tuned camera system includes a powerful 200-megapixel periscope lens capable of impressive zoom photography, while the 6.78-inch display reaches 3600 nits brightness for excellent outdoor visibility. It can run slightly warm during extended gaming sessions and isn't widely available in every market, but for endurance alone, the Find X9 Pro stands out immediately. Moving to number 4, the Vivo X300 Pro brings serious flagship polish together with extreme hardware performance. Scoring roughly 3.41 million on AnTuTu, this device feels like a professional camera disguised as a smartphone. Vivo's collaboration with Zeiss introduces advanced video capabilities, including 8K recording, 10-bit log footage, and Dolby Vision HDR support, features normally reserved for dedicated filmmaking equipment. The 200-megapixel periscope zoom captures remarkable detail even at long distances, while the 6510 mAh battery paired with 90-watt charging keeps downtime minimal. Its LTPO AMOLED display peaks at an astonishing 4500 nits brightness, making visibility effortless even in harsh sunlight. What truly makes the X300 Pro impressive is how refined it feels, with an aluminum frame, premium materials, and IP68 water resistance, giving it the character of a luxury flagship rather than a performance experiment. Taking third place is the OnePlus 15, a phone that feels like a return to OnePlus's original identity: fast, smooth, and unapologetically performance-focused. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, built on an advanced 3nm process, it reaches around 3.58 million points on AnTuTu. Everything happens instantly, from launching apps to heavy multitasking and demanding gaming sessions. The massive 7,300 mAh battery supports ultra-fast 120-watt charging, taking the phone from empty to full in roughly 40 minutes. One standout feature is bypass charging, allowing power to flow directly to the system during gaming, instead of heating the battery, which improves long-term battery health and stability. Combined with strong durability ratings and a highly responsive 165Hz display, the OnePlus 15 feels built for users who genuinely push their phones every day, rather than simply checking notifications. The runner-up, the iQOO 15, surprised many enthusiasts by delivering one of the most balanced flagship experiences available. With a score close to 3.77 million on AnTuTu, this device feels like a professional camera disguised as a smartphone. Its large 6.85-inch LTPO AMOLED display reaches an incredible 6,000 nits peak brightness, remaining easily visible even under intense sunlight. A huge 7,000 mAh battery paired with 90-watt fast charging ensures long endurance without sacrificing convenience. What separates this phone from many competitors is its commitment to longevity, offering 5 major Android updates that make it a future-proof investment. The camera system delivers consistently strong results across most scenarios, creating a device that doesn't specialize in just one category, but performs confidently across all of them. Taking the #1 spot is the RedMagic 11 Pro, and it doesn't just win, it completely changes the performance conversation. With an astonishing AnTuTu score approaching 3.93 million, this phone operates in a category of its own. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, alongside 16 GB of RAM and ultra-fast storage, its defining feature is the built-in active cooling system. Instead of relying solely on passive cooling methods, RedMagic integrates an actual internal fan that keeps temperatures controlled during sustained heavy workloads. This allows the phone to maintain peak performance without throttling, even during long gaming sessions. A large 7,500 mAh battery supports extended use, while the immersive 144 Hz AMOLED display and gaming shoulder triggers create a console-like experience in a smartphone. The cameras are average compared to traditional flagships, and the gaming-focused design isn't for everyone. But for pure speed and sustained performance, nothing currently comes close. What makes this list fascinating is that none of these phones come from the brands most consumers immediately think about. While Apple and Samsung focused on ecosystem refinement and incremental upgrades, these manufacturers pushed raw hardware performance to its absolute limits. The result is a new generation of smartphones capable of power levels that seemed impossible only a few years ago. If raw speed is your priority, any device on this list delivers elite performance. And if you're looking for the best value flagship instead of just maximum power, check out the next video on your screen right now.